Hello friends, I welcome you all in this new video. Today I'm going to discuss about Ongyoki reviews of United States. In this video you will get to know whether this website is a legit or a scam. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you deciding answer of this question, should I buy from it or not. If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I'll share the way to get your money back. So friends, let's check what this website is providing to the customer. From the images, it is quite clear that this website deals with scarf, sweater, hoodie, etc. Now let's check about best-selling products. So friends, you can see these are the best-selling products with reasonable price. You can check those products by visiting their official website. Now let's talk about payment policy. So friends, they have not updated anything related to the payment policy, but at the end you can see they accept PayPal. So we may accept that they accept credit cards, debit cards as well. Now let's go to the shipping policy. So the duration for shipping is 1 to 3 business days, as you can see here. Now let's talk about legitimacy checkpoints. Before going further, I request you all to like this video and share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. This website is protected by HTTPS protocol, which means payment gateway is totally safe and secured. Besides this, the website has been registered on 30th of November 2020 and hence it is a new website. Now if you want to know about us page, let's check into it. So friends, they have not updated anything related to the About Us page section in the website, which is one negative point. If you want to know about the contact address, let's check. So here the address is mentioned. It is 28 North Witter St. Bow, New Hampshire 3304, United States. And the phone number is also mentioned, and the email address is mail@ongyoki.com. Let's talk about social media presence. Friends, this website have no social media presence over Facebook, Twitter, etc. and hence it is again one negative point for the website. Now if you want to know about the refund and return policy, let's check. So friends, you can apply for refund within 14 days after the date of receipt. Now if you want to know about the customer reviews of this website, friends, there are reviews updated in the website where you can check here. Also in Google we have checked, there are no reviews related to the product, but there are reviews based on the product efficiency. If you ask about the website content quality, then it is not good as most of them is copy pasted from other sites. So on basis of the above discussion, we can see that this website is possibly a scam because there are a lot of negative points in the website, and we advise you to check all these points for all websites before making any payments or selection. This website is not trustable and you cannot think of investing money into it. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Also, we advise you to do your own research before investing money in such website. Do comment your thoughts about this video. We read all the comments over every videos. Keep commenting. Please like this video if you have not subscribed yet. Please subscribe our channel today. Be informed and be safe.